Coming in, I wasn't quite sure what to expect, but being able to see yesterday, going through manufacturing, seeing the video board broken up into its thousands of parts, all of the people working on their specific portion of it, to know that it's not just slapping a couple things together and that's it. There's a lot of thought and there's a lot of technology that goes in behind it that come to make the product what it is. You know that you're getting something that has been tested, trialed, it's gone through the process.
It's really been a focal point, a wow factor for all of our sports. Currently at the stadium, we have football, boys and girls lacrosse, and track and field. Every single one of those game day experiences has benefited from having the video board. We'll have movie nights in the fall and in the spring, and people just love to see what's going to be up on the board next. It's been a huge bonus to the atmosphere of all of our events we hold at the stadium.
I've mainly been the one in charge of running it, operations, creating content, kind of the whole thing surrounding our video board. Having a class to teach them how to do that, we're going to be able to help kids get exposure to some of the stuff that they normally see. With us being so close to University of Wisconsin, they go to the Kohl Center, they go to Camp Randall, Lambeau and Miller Park aren't very far away. Being able to see that we have the same equipment that those facilities are using, and this is how all that kind of stuff works. The ability for them then to be able to take that information to UW, Minnesota, wherever it is that they go to all of our state schools, and be able to then apply that to more of a college environment. They already have that first round at high school. They already kind of know the ins and outs of it.
They've been working with the coaches to create those video starting lineups, the player cards, really brainstorming new content, new ideas. Our sports marketing class is building videos that we play during intermissions or breaks in the action. Looks top notch, looks professional, looks like something you might see at Camp Randall. So the kids really get a kick out of production and management of the video board.
The more we do, the more creative we can get, make it more like a college atmosphere, a pro atmosphere, and it gets the kids excited for game day. The software is where all the magic happens, and being able to edit on the fly is huge. Track is one of those events. We're constantly updating our calls, we're constantly updating results, things come in random times, and so be able to edit as you're doing it, being able to hit the button, turn on the mic, saying first call, second call, final call, and have that information already up on the board as soon as I hit the button. Makes my life a lot easier, but it makes everything run more efficiently.
Decktrax has been unbelievable. Whether it's the service department, whether it's the salespeople, who doesn't matter. If we have a question, everyone's a phone call away, and they don't know the answer, they're right away finding out who it is and getting back to us. The other cool thing is if they come see a cool idea at another school, they pass that info on to us to see if we can end up using it at our school. So it's been a beneficial relationship with Daktronics.
It is really helpful being able to chat with people, whether it's through email, online, being able to have a salesperson come out. You've got the support out there, and there's a bunch of different ways to be able to get that support depending on what your situation is. Being able to have a network of people where if you have a question, you can reach out to other individuals who are also working in the same software and the same hardware that you are. You have resources beyond just Daktronics, you have resources with just other people in the same industry. And that allows us to get some different ideas and be able to kind of generate the content that'll keep everybody excited and being able to go from year to year and always have something new.